Mama, what you doing, baby?
I'm cleaning up their toys, put their toys away. We have a whole bag of cards.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just organizing it. We have all these little random toys.
Yeah, random new toys now. We done got some toys.
We have this dollhouse.
Mm-hmm.
So cute.
Yeah, that new dollhouse.
Yeah. Put the card in the backpack so you can organize.
Toys.
What you got? Oh my goodness. Ta Betty. Hi, Tao. What you doing today? Oh my goodness. That pretty Ta Betty, Ta Betty, Ta Betty, Ta Betty. How your day going today, babe?
My day is going amazing. My day has been going so perfect today. We've just been watching the kids play with the new toys and just enjoy their morning afternoon. Hope you guys enjoy y'all's day as well. Stay positive and keep pushing forward.
How baby doing?
Baby's doing amazing. Last night,
You was cramping a lot?
yes, last night I was cramping a lot. Come on, don't mess it up. Come on.
It's okay. You won't get going. Love you. I see.
Pick it up. Daddy said he love you. You go today you love him.
Yeah.
Okay, are you, Daddy?
By my bag.
Well, that's no car. You look like your turn.
What?
The remote that we threw away.
Told you. You gotta go get it now.
They're probably went to this.
Told you.
Is that it now?
Mm-hmm.
This come off.
It comes off.
Yeah.
You pretty.
Put this stuff back and clean up.
Oh, put it back down.
Johnny, can you help on the rest of the cars?
Okay. I'll put it back on.
Okay.
Put it back on.
I'm gonna put it back on, okay? You say how your day going today? Yeah, look at that.
It's a shark. You see the mouth on it?
Yeah, I ain't see that. That's cool.
That's cool.
What is it?
That's cool.
Well, let me see. It's a toy. I think it's an egg. Yeah, it was an egg.
Mom, what is it?
Probably an egg.
Yeah, it looked like an egg.
Yeah. I'm gonna put these in here, okay?
Come on, Baba.
Where we going? Huh? Oh.
I don't get all the time.
Hi, let me get that.
You got cars?
Yeah.
And your little shovels?
I don't like it.
Nice catch on camera. When you got your little car, you scooping your little gravel up with? Show me. How you do it? Show mommy how to do it. I see. Show me how to do it. How you do it? Scoop it.
Yeah.
And dump it. Good job. Now, how you do it now? Scoop it. Dump it. There you go. No, look at Zay. He's the best. Look at him. He is so amazing. My big old belly. You're the best. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sweating like crazy.
Huh?
Sweating like crazy.
I'm sweating like crazy.
Look at that stomach, girl.
No. She almost here, y'all. Got like 3 days left.
3 days.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm gonna do 3 days, y'all. Oh my God. I just like dread like the contraction part. That's all I'm scared of. Cause I hate the feeling of how contractions feel. Especially like waking up in the middle of the night having them. That's worse. Cause like you don't even know like it's coming. It's like out of nowhere. Like oh my God. Cause then you realize when all my last 3 pregnancies I've like had contractions, and the first part of like the pregnancy is just feeling the contractions. Cause you don't remember like when Catalina during this morning, it was like in the middle of the night where I had to wake you up telling you I had contractions.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
I'm just trying to see, like, I was talking to them about this in a recent video I did. Like, I want to know, is it gonna like be me waking up in the middle of the night, or is it gonna be me having
Just like your water just break.
Yeah. Ooh, look at what you got. Ooh, girl.
Eat it, Mama.
Eat it. Thank you.
She left her spoon.
You have a spoon. Go take your spoon.
I don't.
I know. Her face.
Yeah, it's on her. Oh my God. Freak.
I think we need pants on.
Mama. Eat for Mama.
My phone.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh no. I spilled it. I'm sorry.
Here, Mama.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I want my dinosaur.
Okay. Thank you. Yummy.
I want That's it.
That's one thing I hate about being out. I don't like about being outside is the mosquitoes.
Oh yeah.
That's one thing I like about being out. The mosquitoes and the bees.
Yeah, you scratching like crazy, huh?
You broke.
Yeah.
Every time we come out here, we get bit.
Look at her back.
Yeah. Oh, the mosquitoes ain't playing.
So red.
These mosquitoes ain't playing, boy.
I know, but I don't want to take them in because they want to come out.
They want them to come out here. But they're gonna start crying if we say let's go in.
But yeah. We're just enjoying the day. Hope you guys are just having a motivational day. Right. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy our day with the girls and get off here. We'll see you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay positive.